what is your research focus?
We look at diabetes and some of the causes of that, particularly looking at changes in exocytic behavior and how that may relate to the cause of diabetes, insulin secretion and movement of glucose transporters in pancreatic beta cells and fat and muscle cells.
So what impact does TIRF microscopy have for your studies?
So we use TIRF microscopy so we can see exocytotic events on the surface of cells, and we use fluorescent labels to label vesicles, and then we watch how they behave and how insulin gets out of the cell and how the glucose transporter gets to the surface of the cell, and how that process is defective in diabetes.
So which new insights had TIRF microscopy enabled you to gain?
I guess it's probably the only way of being able to image this process. So without TIRF microscopy, we wouldn't have any understanding of these processes, really. And I guess coupling that with the super resolution techniques has really revealed to us that what we had been studying for many years was probably only 5 or 6% of the real story. And we've been very carefully studying this very small percent of what was really going on, and now with super resolution techniques we're able to really understand a much bigger part of the story.
What are the major challenges using these super resolution techniques?
I guess everyone who's doing sort of large content imaging with super resolution or genuine high content imaging is struggling with the volumes of data that we're generating. I think one of the next big challenges is how to analyze and store all this data and make it useful.
So how do you rate the significance for super resolution techniques in life science in the future?
They've been another of the important steps in being able to image all the biology that goes on. Certainly for me, in my research career, I think the super resolution revolution has been the most exciting thing I've had so far in my research career. Being able to see some of the processes and then realise that we'd only been looking at a very small percentage was very exciting.
So my last questions, what are your experiences with Leica Microsystems as a collaboration partner?
So in Sydney we have a very good partnership with our local team of Leica support staff. We have an imaging centre that is wholly populated by Leica instruments, and we chose that because of the good support and the good instruments, and it's great fun. We have 180, 200 people using these instruments, we have great support and great equipment and great results, so it's been a very good collaboration for us.
Thank you very much.